Say hi, Chris.
Hi.
What do you got? Your TV?
TV.
What are you watching? Christopher. What are you watching? Monsters? You can whistle? Chris, how do you feel?
Happy.
Happy? This movie usually gets a lot of stimming from him. We have the TV and DVDs up there because he would otherwise change the DVDs every 5 minutes or less. But this is Chris. And he is 8 years old with severe to moderate autism. Let's see if he screams with this part. He usually does. But who knows since I'm videotaping him. Be careful with Woody, please. He already broke Buzz apart. He had him for about 6 to 8 weeks. And that was his third one. No screaming, but some behaviors. He loves to roll his cars on his dresser. You can see. And then lately he's been chewing on his cars again. Chris, say bye.
No.
Say bye.